Are you currently interested in upgrading your camera or perhaps just curious about what's new in the world of photography? If so, then you're in for a treat. We're about to delve into the world of the Leica SL3, an impressive piece of equipment that's been making waves in the photography community. From its top-of-the-line features to its sleek design, this camera is a game-changer in every sense of the word. Well, today we're here to explore the Leica SL3 and everything it brings to the table. The Leica SL3, a camera that has generated a lot of buzz in the photography community. Its sleek design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Crafted with the end user in mind, it boasts an impressive full-frame sensor that ensures high-quality captures. The camera's lens capabilities are equally remarkable, offering flexibility with various interchangeable options. This device is a powerhouse, a blend of advanced technology and artistry that truly sets it apart. Now that we've covered the basics, let's delve into the pros and cons of this camera. Every camera has its strengths, and the Leica SL3 is no exception. One of its most striking virtues is its superior image quality. The Leica SL3 boasts a full-frame sensor that captures images in stunning detail, making it a favorite among professionals and hobbyists alike. Another impressive feature is its robust build. This camera is designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor photography, with a weather-sealed body that can stand up to rain, dust, and extreme temperatures. Its durability makes it an ideal choice for adventurous photographers who aren't afraid to take their gear into the great outdoors. Last but certainly not least, is the high-resolution viewfinder. This feature provides a clear and bright view of your subject, ensuring you can frame your shots with precision. It's like having a magnifying glass for your eye, capturing each detail with utmost clarity. While these features are impressive, it's important to remember that no camera is perfect. Like any piece of technology, the Leica SL3 has its drawbacks. Let's dive into some of those now. First, the elephant in the room, the price. The Leica SL3 is a premium camera and its price point reflects that. This camera is a significant investment, which may put it out of reach for some photography enthusiasts. Next, we have the weight. This is not a lightweight camera by any means. The sturdy, robust build contributes to its heft, which might be a downside for those who prefer a more portable option, or who need to carry their camera for extended periods. Lastly, the Leica SL3 does not feature in-body image stabilization. This means you'll need to rely on lenses with optical image stabilization or use a tripod to avoid blurry shots, which could be a deal-breaker for some. Weighing these pros and cons will help you make an informed decision about whether the Leica SL3 is the right fit for you. So, is the Leica SL3 the camera you've been searching for? Well, let's recap what we've uncovered in our journey through this marvel of photographic engineering. Firstly, the Leica SL3 is a camera that doesn't shy away from its roots. It's a device that carries the weight of the Leica legacy with grace, blending the old with the new in a seamless fashion. Its full-frame sensor delivers stunning image quality, capturing the finest of details and the richest of colors. The robust build quality is another testament to Leica's dedication to craftsmanship. We've also talked about the fantastic viewfinder, a feature that truly sets the Leica SL3 apart from its rivals. The impressive resolution provides a viewing experience that's as close to the naked eye as it gets. It's a joy to use, providing a level of immersion that's unparalleled in the world of photography. However, like any piece of technology, the Leica SL3 does have its drawbacks. The high price tag might be a hurdle for some, and the weight may be a deterrent for those used to lighter mirrorless cameras. The lack of in-body image stabilization is another point to consider, especially for those who shoot handheld in low-light conditions. But let's not forget that photography is a deeply personal pursuit. What works for one person might not work for another. It's all about finding the right balance between your needs, your budget, and your aspirations. The Leica SL3, with its blend of tradition and innovation, its commitment to image quality, and its robust design, may just be the perfect fit for you. So take a moment to reflect on what you've learned today. Weigh the pros and cons, think about your specific photography needs, and consider your budget. Is the Leica SL3 the camera that will help you capture the world in its truest form? Remember, the perfect camera is the one that fits your needs best. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to McTech Addicts for more tech reviews and information.